I love this.
Welcome back for another flight video. This was filmed on the same day as my aerobatics video, and I'll put a link to that up in the corner. I've flown faster than this before, but never so low. We were down at 200 feet, and when you're that close to any of your visual references, you can really get a feel for how fast you're traveling. It was unlike anything I've done before, and the light was beautiful, so I really enjoyed editing this one. I put a lot of effort into it. I hope you like it too. Enjoy.
Clear!
Golf Mike India, cross runway 02, taxi holding point Bravo 3.
Cross 02 to Bravo 3, Golf Mike India.
Turns on a dime, doesn't it?
Tailwheels, man.
Golf Mike India, runway 08 right to take off at your discretion. Surface wind 080 degrees, 15 knots.
Taking off 08 right, Golf Mike India. Yeah, they're still got plenty of time. Ready?
Ready? Helicopter Charlie India, you still on frequency?
Affirm, Charlie India.
Helicopter Charlie India, what's your point of departure, please?
I didn't have the noise cancellation on there. I just turned it on. I'm like, ooh, that makes a big difference, doesn't it?
I have my ears back, please. Go for Romeo Tango downwind. Go for Romeo Tango, report downwind, correction, report final, 1 ahead final. Okay, I'll go for it.
Because of the inversion there, I'm going to put the landing lamp on, just so then if there's anyone coming head on, they'll see us.
Yeah, good idea. I'll keep a lookout as well. Traffic at 2 o'clock for level. How far?
What is that?
I don't know. That's strange.
Oh, I think it's a gyrocopter,
Oh, yeah,
maybe.
you can see the two, but, yeah, it is. I've been in one of those once.
Yeah,
It was fun, actually. I would compare it to this, like, well, not in capability, but feeling. It's similar to being on a motorbike as opposed to in a car.
right.
Very exposed, you know, in a flight suit.
Yeah, that inversion layer is wicked, isn't it?
Yeah, it's murky.
Quite choppy as well at low height.
Yeah, it was really smooth when we were up higher earlier on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, very choppy. Let's get up above this, shall we?
Yeah, let's do that. Already getting better.
Yeah. Wasn't expecting it to get that choppy. know, I was surprised when we were taxiing. The forward vision is actually not that bad.
Yeah, in this aircraft it's not bad. In some tailwheel aircraft there's none, no forward vision, but in this it's quite okay. You just like, you can look over the nose and it's really not bad at all.
You don't have to S-turn all the time and everything. See people having to snake around them when they're taxiing.
That's it, yeah. Yeah, no, we're quite fortunate. Right, climb us up. 3.5.
It's okay, angle-wise?
That's good.
3.5?
Yeah, it's 3.5.
Takeoff at your discretion.
Take us to 4.
090 degrees.
Maybe we'll just get above the inversion layer a bit more.
Okay.
Foxtrot Golf.
Golf Mike India, switching frequency to Blackpool on 119.950.
Golf Mike India, Roger, squawk 7,000, speak to you later on.
7,000, bye for now, Golf Mike India.
Yeah, if I had an aircraft like this, I could have been down here in about, what, an hour, probably an hour actually.
What's that, sorry?
Well, it's 160 nautical miles if you take a direct track from my house to Barton. So realistically, probably an hour and 10 or something like that with routing. We did a fast cruise in this, right?
Yep, yeah, 145 knots. I'll have the controls for a bit.
Okay, you have control. Sending in style.
I've got my feet in the mud and you don't realize how with a walk down the alley you got me twice. Caught my eye, caught my hunger, and I'm caught in half. And now I'm stuck in the mud till you realize. Oh, I can see the bride from the sky in the morning light. Light from the sky burns, and you see me come around from the other side. Come on and set the light
Cool, isn't it?
Flying this low, yeah.
in me. You ought to know I get pretty messed up in your sight. You know I'm already with you.
200 feet.
No,
This is great.
Now you can see the birds.
Doesn't seem like it's 200.
you know it's real. Can see the bright
There's no way this is 200 feet.
morning light
Doesn't feel like it, does it?
No.
from the sky.
It should make some pretty good
This is beautiful.
Around from the other side. Come on and set the light.
Wow.
The light.
Sun on the water as well, it's gorgeous.
Birds!
I love this.
pretty messed up in your sight. You know I'm already with you. Treat me right. No, I'm as steady as a shaking light. You know it's real. You know it's real.
Thanks so much for this, Steve. I really appreciate it.
In the morning light, light from the sky burns, and you see me come around from the other side.
Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and check out some of the other videos. I put one up here and one up here. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, hit the dislike button twice. And I'll see you in the next one. Dead Reckoner out.
And so then there were aircraft. And
Have you seen Up?
I have, yeah.
Pearl!